Okay, so GFAI is on watch today. This is our leading gapper, but not really sure what I think about this one. It's kind of just been sideways. Doesn't look so bad. If it can break this level in the daily, it looks okay. But it had to get above 4, and then from there it has room all the way to 750. Oh, yeah, I guess so. 750. But whether it could actually do it or not, I don't know. It's just been sideways this whole time. So market opens just about here. 2 seconds left. Not much on watch, if I'm being totally honest with you. So there's a pop to 4. Double top here at 417, 418. RVI is popping on the scans. HUDI is also halted going down. Let's go check out RVI. Gap down reversal. So I could get in here for the break of 4. All that's getting bought up right there. Didn't break just yet. Not really sure what I want with this one right now. 5-minute just crossed actually. I didn't see that. I feel like I need to take bigger size on this if I were to take a trade, just because it's not moving so fast. Like this whole move right here was probably 10 cents, 15 cents. Okay, so I basically missed this entire move here. I'm just gonna wait for a pullback on this one. I wasn't feeling it at open. I don't know, I wasn't feeling it, but now it's actually ripping through. So now it broke through 4 and it's holding this level so far. 450 is our next resistance level here, but honestly, if this thing can just keep going, then I wouldn't be surprised because it has blue skies at this point. It has room up to 750, so this huge gap fill here. There's a drop back to 4. Below 4 for a second. I don't like to see that. It's alright. If this can pick itself back up and get around 420, then cool, but I don't want to see it drop below 4. High is 440. Okay, if this can sideways consolidate here, I'll definitely get him for the next candle to break 450, but I don't know. If this one's going to break lower and go below 4, it's going to have to pop back up and finish around 410 level. But right now, it's just, I don't know. ALF popping in the scans. I'm just going to wait it out. Watch GFAI. So there's a break below 4 or below this 1 minute low, 98, and hit a low of what, 93. Oh, great. Okay, so I guess I'm restricted on margin on this stock. I was trying to buy there at 405. so I can sell for the 1 minute high break, but for some reason couldn't buy that. So I guess I'm restricted on this stock. Okay, let's go for ALF. ALF not really moving either. Got our next leading gapper, WIMI. Just crossing the 5 minute. Looks like it's about to cross in the 10 minute. Not really holding its level either. ABIO. VRAR. GFAI. I like GFAI here if it can actually break through 4, but for some reason it's not letting me buy it with margin, so I'm just not even going to take a trade on it. Okay, so on GFAI, it's actually looking like it's crossing on the 1 minute MACD. That doesn't really look, clean to me. I'm just gonna let it pull back. If it crosses on the 1 minute, then cool, I guess. We have to wait for a better setup. But again, I'm most likely not gonna trade this one just because I'm restricted on margin. HUDI just got halted a second time going up though. Okay, UAVS doesn't look too bad. It's running right into its averages here though. I think I definitely need to buy a bigger share size on this one just because it's moving kind of slow as well. Not a big mover. Solo's popping up here. Solo for the daily high break doesn't look that bad. Actually, talking about daily, Facebook yesterday I was talking about buying it around, I don't know if it was a 307 level, 308 or 310, but I was talking about that being a buy now that it broke its last daily high. And boy oh boy, if I actually took that trade, I said I wouldn't take it because it was a Thursday, and I didn't want to lose profit with theta, so I didn't take it. But if I would have taken my entry down here, at 310 or whatever it was, went all the way to 324. So went to 324 in the last, I think, couple minutes. It just tanked all the way back down to 317. So that would have been a huge trade for sure if I took that in my other account and the options trading account. But now I have no idea which direction it wants to go. It might hit its 200 and then drop. Monday I might have to wait for better setup because I don't really know where it wants to go now. But yesterday I had a feeling you know, it was getting pretty extended off its 200. And I just felt it was kind of predictable since I've traded Facebook several times already, that it would pop back up. But I don't know. We'll see what next week has for us in the options account. I don't know. So far, there's nothing really on the scans. There's nothing popping up. And GFAI is just couldn't get, you know, access to my margin, I guess. So it's just not interesting to me. I'm kind of glad I got rejected. I mean, I wish I got filled so I can at least take that profit. I went all the way up to 20. So it would have been a nice 15 cents or 13 cents if I sold exactly at 20 with a 2 cent offset. But I don't know. That would have definitely put me over 2 grand today, since we're, you know, slowly climbing back from that huge loss from last Friday. But you know, monthly commissions are coming up this weekend, so really that's gonna put me back down to 1,000. I don't know, 1,050 or so, or not 1,050, 1,850 or so, somewhere around, or 1,825 maybe, somewhere in that range. So we're gonna have to come all the way back. I'd have to make like 100 something today to avoid that, but it's whatever. Honestly though, I might just close it up here because I'm not feeling anything. Like GFAI is breaking higher here, but like it has the potential to keep going. It's just, I don't know, I'm not feeling it, especially because I can't trade it with margin. I could take 300 shares probably. It's just not a big deal to me. Everything's kind of slow. I'd rather not risk it. If anything, I'd be going for the 10-minute high break, but even then, I don't know. I think I'd just rather play it safe. Wait till next week, start again. So there's a nice pullback there. Could have definitely taken an entry around 420. And this is a small pullback. This might be the actual major pullback for the 1 minute cross, but then again, I think it's just pulling back. It hasn't really shifted levels here because it would have to break 4 and actually break under to really make some change. But I don't know. That would have been a nice dip buy just to ride this all the way for, I guess, high at daybreak for today. 440, that would be the target. That nasty rejection, Jesus, man. Last couple seconds is all it takes. There's the 1 minute cross. That's pretty gross. All right. Well, with that being said, I'm just done for today. I think I'm not gonna bother taking a trade on anything. Trader view will come out this weekend. I'm gonna try my best to get this thing out. I'm pretty busy studying for, you know, other things, but I'm gonna try my best to get it out this weekend. Probably Sunday, most likely, just like the last one. I do have a lot more trades to review this time around, especially because the market hasn't been super slow. It's definitely more active than it was like 2 weeks ago. So, yeah, with that being said, a trade review will come out. And if there's any requests or anything you guys like about my videos or, you know, would like for me to change, just let me know and I'll go ahead and see what I can do about, you know, optimizing some parts of my videos here. So editing's not the best. Like I'm not, you know, a superhero when it comes to that stuff, but I can definitely improve in some areas. So, anyways, with that being said, I'll see you guys next week, Monday, and come out with a trade review. So, see you then.